Welcome back friends, and this video is something different. Means if you want to find out which applications are waking up your screens when you have locked your screens and suddenly something comes when you are sleeping, many times your phone is waking up and going into the sleep mode. If you want to know how many applications in the night have had waken up your screen, woke up your screen by which applications, I am going to tell you in very quick time. What you need to do, go to the Galaxy Store, search for Good Lock application, download it. I have already downloaded it. Open it, then go to the Nice Catch, download it first. I have already downloaded it, so more is coming. In your mobile some other icon will come, down arrow, just click there, open it. Now see, screen wake up history. It will show the list of applications that woke up screen. Just turn it on and when you will find it, see these applications are Bluetooth at 28 minutes. You will find out, and this history will be deleted after 7 days. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.